To all my wonderful subscribers, I come before you as someone deeply passionate about creating YouTube videos. Every frame, every edit, and every historical tale I share on my channel is a testament to my unwavering dedication to the art of filmmaking. You see, I am JD, a storyteller, an explorer, and a lover of history and geography. Creating these videos is not just a hobby for me, it's a calling. I pour my heart and soul into every project, aiming to transport my viewers to different times and places, sparking their curiosity about the world we live in. However, life, much like history itself, has its seasons. At the moment, I find myself immersed in a seasonal job that demands the majority of my time, leaving me with scarce moments to edit a video for this week. But my passion, my love for creating, remains unyielding. It's the driving force that keeps me going, even in the face of such challenges. Despite the busyness of this season, I am reminded that my creativity knows no bounds. My ideas, my visions, they're always with me, waiting to be brought to life on the screen. I want you all to understand that this journey is not just about the videos I make. It's about the stories I tell and the impact they have on my audience. I believe in the power of history to educate, entertain, and inspire. And so, even in this hectic time, I carry my passion with me, like a torch, illuminating the path back to the editing room when the season allows. To my audience, I say this: your support and patience means the world to me. You are the reason that I create, the driving force behind every video. I promise you, the stories I want to share, the places I want to explore, they're all waiting, patiently, brewing in my creative mind. I'm not just a creator. I'm an explorer of the past, a curator of tales, and I'm determined to bring you along on this journey. So bear with me during this busy season. Know that I am working diligently, not just on my seasonal job, but also on the stories that will soon grace your screens. Your anticipation fuels my determination. Together we will continue this adventure one frame at a time. Thank you for your unwavering support, and here's to the next chapter of our shared exploration.
To the underground old school, here's a shovel. Can you dig it, fool? Can you dig it?